All right guys, welcome back. So today we're starting on just a real small project. This is a F150 on a custom chassis from Factory 5. Really cool stuff. You basically make your own Raptor. It's a full chassis. It's all designed to be long travel, pre-runner suspension, all from Factory 5 Racing. You get yourself an F150, slap on this chassis, and you got yourself a pretty sweet ride. I mean, it's got some serious suspension, really long travel. You can see, but you can tell by the links, this thing probably gets some good numbers. But it's simply an F150. This one in particular is supercharged. Nice little Whipple. Good choice in blower. And for us, we're just gonna be doing a little exhaust on it. Nothing too crazy. Well, it's got from the mid pipe, and we just need to kind of finish it up. All we're gonna do is we're gonna run just a dump behind the cab back here. So I'll do some straight. We'll have a nice big muffler for it, and then we'll just do a little dump just to put something there for now until we talked about maybe doing some more stuff in the back, which will leave a V-band back there. That way, if they decide they want to continue, do something extra back here, they can. But for now, we're just going to do something behind the cab just to get this thing kind of dialed in. Let's get to it.
Send it.
Is today your first day?
Yeah.
Stop staring at it, Adam. Why do you have the fan running wide open? Or you need inert gas?
Huh? Off.
There's too much fan.
Fan?
How are you gonna weld good with so much fan? You use a lot of inert gas.
Where's the fan?
Use the fan. What are you, like running 25 pounds a minute of gas over there?
Oh, God.
Shit It's expensive.
Where's the fan?
The big ass fan.
Oh, send it.
Overhead.
It was hot in here.
Anthony, it's okay if you look at it.
I'm from the Arctic. I was born in the snow, man.
I thought this thing was already done. What are you welding? You're welding the hanger to the pipe?
Yeah.
Oh, makes sense.
Why are you yelling at me?
Fired up right now.
Are you ready? Yeah. When I was welding, they used to like just walk up when somebody's welding and just hammer the table with like a big sledgehammer really loud so it scared the shit out of me.
Oh,
Like that.
God damn.
You just shriveled.
Hey, off, off.
You just shriveled.
Damn, man.
His butt is like.
Oh. Maybe dip my tungsten. Dipped it, man.
Huh?
I dipped it. Ah, shit, man. I pulled out.
You should have pulled
Send
out.
it.
You should have pulled out, but he pushed
Hey,
in.
you have your GoPro on?
No comment. You'll know when you edit the video.